Hello and welcome back. In the previous lesson, we have seen how to add the metadata in the smart contract. Now in this lesson, let's add the metadata with URI storage method and mint the NFT again. So we have already discussed the ERC721 URI storage Solidity file. Here we can directly set the token URI for the token ID. So I have this smart contract with me, which uses the URI storage smart contract. And as you can see, we have only imported the ERC721 URI storage file and not the ERC721 Solidity file, because this smart contract is already extended with the main ERC721. So we don't have to extend our smart contract again. We automatically get the functions from the ERC721 smart contract. So here we are using auto increment tokens method. So for that we have imported the counters file. And we are using the counters to increment the token ID for creating new tokens. Here we have declared token IDs as the counter variable and then the constructor of this contract and ERC721 smart contract constructor, where we have passed the token data like name and symbol. After that, we have award item function which accepts two arguments: address of the user to whom we are transferring the NFT after minting, and the string for the token URI. This returns the ID of the newly minted token. Then in this function, we save the current ID of the token in the new item ID variable and mint the token with the mint function, which we have already discussed. And after that, the set token URI function. This sets the token URI for our newly created NFT token. This function is from ERC721 URI storage smart contract. And then increment the token ID, which then can be used for the next token. And lastly, return the newly created token ID. So this was the complete explanation of this smart contract. Now when we mint our token, we need to test this metadata. On Etherscan and Remix, we can only test the token parameters like token URI, symbol and name. But in order to check its metadata, we can make a use of OpenSea platform. The OpenSea platform provides the platform on testnet, which is Golly. So we have to deploy our smart contract on public testnet. For that, we need the MetaMask wallet. Make sure to download and set up the MetaMask wallet correctly. Once you have set up correctly, just move to the Golly testnet and get back to the Remix IDE. Now we need to connect the Remix IDE to Golly testnet in order to deploy the smart contract on the testnet. So in the deploy and run transactions section, in the environments, select the injected provider option. This will pop up the MetaMask asking for connection request with MetaMask. Select the proper account and connect the MetaMask with Remix. Once successfully connected, you can see the MetaMask account and the account balance over here in the accounts section. Now we need to have some test ethers in order to spend them as a gas fees. So you can get the test Ethereum tokens from the Golly faucet. So this was all needed to deploy our smart contract. Now let's deploy the smart contract. Now wait for the transaction to confirm. Once the transaction is confirmed, that means our smart contract is deployed successfully. Don't close this Remix window. We are coming back to this deployed smart contract to mint a new token. Before minting the token, we need to have two things: the digital asset and its respective metadata file. So I have this art of a boy here. Let's mint its NFT. So the first thing is to upload this art on the IPFS. So I have IPFS up and running perfectly here. So in the Files tab, let's click on the Import button and click on the Files option. Now select the art file and upload the file. Now that the file is uploaded successfully, we can get the file's location URI on the IPFS by this share link option over here. Now let's create the metadata file for this art. Open any text editor and create a .json file with your favorite name. I have already created the file and added the metadata structure to it. Now let's add the values for the respective keys here. The first one is name. Let's the name of the boy is Prajwal. Then the description, that will be Prajwal is saying hello. Then the image location URI. First let's copy the share link of this image from the IPFS and then paste it here. Now that's enough, but we can pass the additional attributes like the mood of the boy. Let's say its mood is happy right now. You can pass many different attributes like its shirt color, shoes color, height, weight, stamina, etc. Now that we have created the metadata file, let's upload this metadata file as well on the IPFS. Once you have uploaded the file correctly on the IPFS, let's copy its share link and get back to the remix. Now in the remix, find the award item function and in the token URI field, paste the metadata file URL which we have copied. Then copy your address in which you want to mint the NFT token and paste it in the player field. And click on the transact button. This will ask us to confirm the transaction. A MetaMask pop-up will come. Click on the confirm and wait for the transaction to confirm. Once the transaction is confirmed, then our NFT token is minted successfully. You can check the token URI from the token URI function. Just put the token ID here and it will return the token URI that we have added. Now to test it, let's head to the testnet OpenSea platform. Here you can connect your MetaMask wallet with OpenSea. First, it will ask us for the connection. Select the proper account in which you have minted the NFT and click on connect. Then it will ask us to sign one message. This is just an extra security layer to verify the account in the MetaMask. Once connected with OpenSea, you can see the minted NFT here. Click on the NFT and you can see the details. So congratulations on minting your first NFT. Now this NFT is static, meaning the art won't change its mood according to some external trigger like change its mood in different functions. We will see how to do that and create a dynamic NFT in next lesson. See you in the next lesson.